Okay, we're continuing to learn about functions. Functions are rules, and just like rules, there's some things that work and some things that don't. One of them is dividing by 0. That's considered undefined. So we need to exclude certain numbers so that in fact the rules work. For instance, if we have f of x equals 12 over x, you cannot have your x equals 0. We need to exclude x equals 0. So we're going to exclude that because remember, it's okay to divide 0 by a number, but it's not okay to divide a number by 0. That's a little check to help you remember. So we cannot have 12 divided by 0. That's undefined. So we need to exclude that. And that's what we're looking at here. X cannot equal 0. We need to exclude that. The other rule is you can't find the square root of a negative number. For example, the square root of x minus 2. We need to make sure that x is greater than 2. So therefore, we're going to exclude, we're talking about what we're taking away, exclude numbers where x is smaller than 2. Let's look at our examples of what we're going to exclude. We have a function of x that is 1 minus 2x over x plus 4. So again, this is an example like with number 1 where we cannot have the bottom. So we are going to exclude or cannot be included where x equals to negative 4 because that would make 0. And you cannot have 0 on the bottom. Number 2, square root of x squared minus 9. So we have to make sure our x's, when it's squared, is greater than negative 9. Otherwise, we're going to have a negative number. So our rule will be negative 3. X must be greater than negative 3, or we're going to have a negative number here, and it's not going to be big enough when we subtract 9 from it, and we'll have a negative number, and it can be less than 3. These numbers cannot be included. Okay?